seen a vehicle like this before. It started life as a 1952 Chrysler Windsor Saloon car. At some stage in the 1960s then it got converted into a hearse and was used in the funeral trade for many, many years until it reached the end of its life. When we acquired the vehicle, it had been basically cut in two halves, so we only had the front end of the body work and chassis. So we decided to create a pickup truck out of it. We made a new cab, back of the cab. We made a new rear body and raised the suspension and put a different engine into it and ran it that way for many years. But then it got another change of looks then in recent years, where we decided to make it into a military style vehicle. And painted matte green and fitted a canopy on the rear. So this is how it looks today. You'll see this nowhere else in the world. Just come and see it here in Kilgarvan Motor Museum.